Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shams Fatima. I'm from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. And today's topic is non-conventional sources of energy. Let's have a look what is non-conventional sources of energy. The energy which is generated by using solar, winds, tides, hydroelectric and biomass including farm and animal waste is known as non-conventional energy. The non-conventional energy is also called as renewable energy as they are continuously replenished by the natural processes. All these resources are renewable and they do not cause environmental pollution. So let's have a look at the classification of energy sources. There are two types of sources: conventional sources and non conventional sources. Coal, petroleum, natural gas, and uranium, that is also known as nuclear. These are the example of conventional sources, and the non conventional sources has solar, wind, hydroelectric, biomass, and tidal. So here is the types of non-conventional sources of energy. It has solar energy, and the second diagram represents the wind energy, which consists of a windmill. And the third has the hydro energy. Geothermal energy is the fourth diagram, and the fifth one is a biofuel, and the sixth is nothing but the biogas energy. Let's have a look with the first non-conventional energy sources. The first one is nothing but the solar energy. The energy obtained from the sun in the form of heat and light. Energy derived in the form of solar radiations. The solar energy received by the Earth's space is approximately 1.4 kilojoule per second, known as solar constant. The energy is used in the solar heating device like solar water heater, solar cookers, etc. The light energy is used in the solar cells. So let's have a look at the diagram, which consists of the solar radiation. The radiation falls on the solar panel and it also is connected with a battery charger controller. It consists of a battery and then a DC load. This entirely consists of a battery system for the solar energy radiations. Solar power system operation. It consists of PV module, PV controller, battery backup, solar inverter, DC load, AC load, etc. So let's have a look at the largest solar power plants in India. Charanka Solar Power Plant, which is present in the state Gujarat, has a capacity of 345 megawatts. Neemuch Solar Power Plant in Madhya Pradesh has 151 megawatts. Sakri Power Plant in Maharashtra has a capacity of 125 megawatts. And the power plant present in the Odisha has 50 and 48 megawatts. The NTPC solar power plant present in the Madhya Pradesh has 50 megawatts. The Bita solar power plant present in the Gujarat has 40 megawatts. So let's have a look with the second non-conventional sources of energy, that is nothing but the wind energy. The air can flow in the wind turbines. Wind energy is used in the windmill, which converts the kinetic energy of the wind into the mechanical or the electrical energy. The kinetic energy of the wind can be used to work for the mechanical sources. A large number of windmill produces more electricity in the wind energy farms. The minimal wind speed required is 15 km per hour. At present, the wind power potential of India is 1500 megawatts. So the below diagram represents the wind energy generating system. It consists of the following energies: kinetic energy, mechanical energy, and electrical energy. It consists of a load and turbines. The largest wind power plants in India. The wind farm in Tamil Nadu has 1500 megawatts capacity. The wind park in Rajasthan has 1064 megawatts. The wind farm in the Maharashtra has 258, and the wind farm in the Maharashtra also has 278 megawatts, and the wind park in the Maharashtra has 259 megawatts, and the Odisha has 99 megawatts of wind power plants. So let's move ahead with the hydropower energy. Hydro is nothing but the water, and the power is nothing but the electricity. In hydropower plants, from the river are stored by constructing dams. Hydro energy generated by force of water, and this is a powerful way of generating electricity. Run of the river hydroelectricity system derive kinetic energy from the river. The below diagram represents the power generation of hydroelectricity. It consists of power transmission cables, transformer, powerhouse, generator, penstock, turbine, downstream outlets, dam, storage reservoir, and gates. The reservoir has all kind of water present in it. The largest power generating hydroelectric dams in India. The river Bhagirathi River in Uttarakhand has 2400 megawatts. The Krishna River in Andhra Pradesh has 1670 megawatts. Himachal Pradesh has 1500 megawatts. Narmada in Gujarat has 1450 megawatts. Himachal Pradesh has 1325 megawatts and Madhya Pradesh has 1000 megawatts. Let's have a look at the fourth conventional non-conventional energy resources, that is biomass energy. The biomass is a renewable energy resources which is derived from carbonaceous waste of the various human activities. It is derived from number of sources including the byproduct from the wood industry, agricultural crops, raw materials from the forest, etc. Types of biomass: garbage, crops, alcohol fuels, landfill, gases, wood. So, biomass resources consist of agricultural crops and residues, sewage, municipal solid waste, animal resources, industrial resources, forestry, crops, and resources. So, this includes biomass sources and it forms a complete cycle. Let's have a look with the tidal energy, which is the another form of non-conventional sources of energy. The tidal energy is produced by the gravitational force of sun and moon, produced by the moving, making the use of water movement from high to low tide. Ocean waves and tides can be made to turn a turbine and generate electricity. Tidal power site in India is Gulf of Cambay. Tidal turbine consists of a turbine, sea level, and the current which is present in it. So let's have a look with the advantages of non-conventional sources of energy. There are these are the type of energy which is highly efficient. They have high calorific value. The non-conventional sources of energy are easy to store, easy to use, and economic. The non-conventional sources of energy are easily available and easily handleable. These are the type of advantages present in the non-conventional sources of energy. So let's have a look with the energy consumption in India. The pie chart represents the conventional and non-conventional sources of energy. The part which is shaded with a dark blue color, which represents a 26% of petroleum. The part which is shaded with a light blue color, which has a percentage of 14%, which represents a non-conventional sources of energy. The part which is shaded with the purple color has a percentage of 5 and it represents the electricity. The part which is shaded with a red color is a natural gas, represents 7%. The part which is shaded in green color represents coal, which is of 48%. This represents the entire pie chart for the energy consumption in India. So, why do we need the conventional energy resources? As the consumption of energy grows, the population depends more and more on the fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and gas day by day. There is a need to secure the energy supply for the future since the prices of the gas and oil keep rising by each passing day. So we need to use more and more conventional sources of energy. Conventional sources of energy are more useful than the other fossil fuels because the non conventional energy sources are more natural indeed, and they avoid all type of environmental pollutions, and the conventional energy resources are more based on fossil fuels. So it is better we use non-conventional energy sources which saves our environment and makes our environment pollution free. I hope you like my video. Thank you and have a great day ahead. Like, share and subscribe.